Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration on my process of making French press in my motorhome. It's a little twist on the average French press, but it is using a French press and it gives me the absolute best French press coffee I've ever had in my life, and I've had it all over the world. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. For the French press, the first thing I do, take a paper filter and I put my plunger in like this, and I would stick it right there slightly. That's one thing. The other thing is, if you don't have those kind of paper filters, I just get a cone filter like the ones from Trader Joe's, cut it out, stick it in between the filter, the bottom, and the screen, tighten it back up, and that works pretty well. I then have a scale and I tar it out to 0. I'm using grams. I put my stainless steel French press on, wait till it stops, tar it out to 0. Get some fresh roasted ground beans, and I want to make sure I get 18 grams in. This is a little coarser grind than I normally use. With a coarser grind, it doesn't extract as much as a finer grind. So I put 20 grams in. So now I'm going to tar out my pot with the coffee in it. And I have some water that's just starting to boil. Here it goes. There we go. You want to use hot water, about 94, 95 degrees centigrade. And you want to put in 220 grams of water. 18 grams of coffee to 220 of water. And that makes a cup. Just double that for 2 cups, etc. I like strong coffee, so that's the measurement, that's the ratio I use. 216, 220. So I'm at 220, 222. So now what I do is I'll stir it for about 12 seconds. And then I'll just cover it with the top for 5 minutes. It's necessary, you need to do at least 5 minutes. You can do longer, but 5 minutes. So now we're back to the future. It's been about 5 minutes. And the reason we wait at least 5 minutes is for the coffee to settle down to the bottom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm very slowly, the coffee is down to here, so I can go a little fast down to that point, but very slowly plunge down, making sure to not unsettle the rested coffee at the bottom and to get everything down to the bottom. There we go. I have my glass. And now I'm ready to pour my French press. Piping hot. Wow, is that amazing? Look at that. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Enjoy your coffee. Wow. So if you want to know more about boondocking and RVing, watch this video over here.